Google is launching an AI Co-Scientist, a new AI system built on Gemini 2.0 designed to aid scientists in creating novel hypotheses and research plans. Researchers can specify a research goal, for example, to better understand the spread of a disease-causing microbe using natural language, and the AI Co-Scientist will propose testable hypotheses along with a summary of relevant published literature and a possible experimental approach. The AI Co-Scientist is a multi-agent AI system that is intended to function as a collaborative tool for scientists. It is not meant to automate the scientific process. Given a scientist research goal that has been specified in natural language, the AI Co-Scientist is designed to generate novel research hypotheses, a detailed research overview, and experimental protocols. To do so, it uses a coalition of specialized agents: generation, reflection, ranking, evolution, proximity, and meta-review that are inspired by the scientific method itself. These agents use automated feedback to iteratively generate, evaluate, and refine hypotheses, resulting in a self-improving cycle of increasingly high quality and novel outputs. Thanks for watching this video.